Well, here we are on boat tour, and you can see that the lake's still a little bit low, so we're having to do various things to get in, but everybody's having a good time. Thanks to Kent for bringing his pontoon. Okay, who's having fun? 2 out of 15. Okay. Come on, y'all. Who's having fun? Whee! Whenever we take off out of here, Ken, I want you to try and pull up beside me so I can get some video of the signs on the side of your boat. Yep, those three were all pretty close together. I can't zoom close enough really to get there. Catherine's listing was back up at the right of that cove, and then Teresa's listing there. Now we're ready to fly. Now we're in South Shore States. Yeah, and then we'll have to pull it. Well, you could go on the right and let him go on the left. Mike, come on this side, on the left side, and he's gonna go on the right. Look, yes, you did. No wonder there's no butt room. Oh, look, somebody's gonna go swimming with me.
Oh, that's so funny.
Somebody else, I'm just gonna throw her in.
It's just going